guys! Welcome to MJ Vlog! Yay! Finally, na-receive ko na ang aking hinihintay. Ilang weeks ko hinihintay to? I think a week, huh? So, let's open it! Open natin. Oh! Yay! Tingnan natin. Ayan. Yay! iPhone 17 Pro Max, guys! Okay. So, after 3 years kasi, pinalitan ko na yung phone ko kasi luma na siya. Sira na yung yung glass niya sa back. So, yay! Finally, I got this one. Kinuha sa akin ni Habi to. I like orange, pero sabi ko, Halloween is over. But still, I like the color orange. Okay, buksan na natin, guys. Let's see. Is there a tape?
Yung green.
Ay. Ang hirap naman buksan, mahal. Ayan, ayun pala yun. Oh, ayan. Wow! Very nice. Oh. Super pretty, right? iPhone 17 Pro Max to, guys. Ayan. So, meron na rin siyang kasama charger. Ayan. Ayan! I'm super happy! Thank you, mahal! Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. Pinlex ko lang kasi natuwa talaga ako. Kasi after 3 years, napalitan na yung aking iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. Sa hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!